Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Apex Legends error code 201 failed to log in to connect to the server, try again later. Firstly, open your web browser and search for apexlegendsstatus.com. Click to open this website. Here you need to check Apex server status if there are any issues related to logging or playing the game. After checking that, you need to follow these steps to fix this error. Check your internet connection if it's working right. Disconnect the internet and then reconnect it again. Update the game to see if there are any new updates to fix this error. Restarting the game will also fix errors. If this error is still not fixed, you'll need to delete the game and reinstall a fresh copy of it. Once it is done, close your other apps and downloads and start your game. If your error is still not fixed, contact the game support team and report your problem. By going back to Apex Legends status, you can see the number of complaints reported about the game. That's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.